New problem of the day, which is maximal network rank 1615 number question on lead code. So let me introduce about the question says there is an infrastructure of n cities with some number of roads connecting these cities. Each roads of I ai comma bi indicate that there is a bidirectional road between cities ai and bi. The network rank of two different cities is defined as the total number of directly connected roads to either city. If a road is directly connected to both cities, it is only counted once. This is the important line, it will only counted once. The maximal network rank of the infrastructure is the maximum network rank of all pairs of different cities. So n and roads are given the maximal network rank of the entire infrastructure. Let me introduce about the example. Just see the example. There is a n and roads array. Okay, 0 is connected to 1 and 1 is also connected to 0. Okay, let's see this. If I count this, 0 is connected to 1 and 1 is connected to 2, 0, then it means we will not count as 2, we will count as 1, because there is a one line na? That's why we will count only 1. The as same as 0 is connected to 3 and 3 is connected to 0, it means we will count 1. And in this line 1 is connected to 2 and 2 is connected to 1, we will count as 1. So 1 2 3 4, 4 is our answer. As same as 1 2 3 4 5, 5 is our answer. Okay, so how we will solve this question? Basically this is a graph question, this is a simple intuition. If there is a intuition like bi-directional, you can think about this. This is a bi-directional, so we read this in graph. So basically graph will apply in this question. Okay, so first brute force solution that comes in our mind is by using loop like this. This is our brute force solution. Int rank equals to 1 0, then create a loop from I equals to 0 to n, and again j equals to I plus 1 to n, and there is another loop inside, nested loop. Road belongs to roads, and this is our brute force solution. This is time complexity of O of n cube, which is not better for us. An interviewer will not agree with this. Interviewer will say you do the optimization. Okay, so what will be the optimization code? Okay, so let me introduce about the approach, how we will approach this question. So for this line is important, we are processing I and j city. Somehow we need to know that are directly connected or not. We need to know that are directly connected or not. It means there is some mistake, I think, that node, I think that node is directly connected or not. This should be correct. Okay, so there is an intuition, we have to make a count. This is basically count array. This is count array. We will store 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index and 3rd index. But 0th in 0th number there are two lines from passing. So two lines, one from 1 index there are 3 lines, from 2 index there are 1 line, from 3 index there are 2 lines. Okay, and there are also a direct 2D matrix where we will store the ones, like if 0 and 1 is connected, this is 0 1 2 3, this is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 is connected and 1 0 is also connected. So this one and this one, 0 3 connected, then 3 0 also connected. So 0 3 connected and 3 0 also connected. So once. Now we will see how to do the code. Okay, so get ready. So now firstly we have to make the count array, 1D array basically of size n. Now we will make a 2D array, vector of int dp of size n comma vector of int of size n. Okay, now we will apply a loop for here we do one thing, we did one thing actually. 0 is connected to 1 and 0 is connected to through 3. So the lines that are passing through 0 is 2 are 2 actually. So there are 2 also, or 0 is connected to 1, then we did 1. 1 is connected to 0, we did 1. So here we will do this by using loop. Auto road belongs to road. Okay, now in count of road of 0, why road of 0? Let's think about this. Road of 0 and road of 1 according actually I will discuss, because see, there are two conditions. If it can be 0, because if 2 is not connected to anyone, 2 is basically connected to 1, but 2 is further not connected to anyone. So other way it will 0, and maximum it can be 1. Okay, 0 is connected to 1, 1 is connected to 0, but we can only count maximum count can be 1. So that's why we are making this road 0 and road 1. Okay, so let's go to the code. So now direct of road of 0, road of 1 equals to 1, like this, and a road of 0 and 1 is 1, then 1 is 0 also 0, 1 sorry. Direct of road of 1 or road of 0 equals to 1. Okay, this is completed. First part we have completed. Now we have to apply a loop. Int rank equals to 0. We will return this. What is our answer? Why after this we will return. Okay, so don't panic about this. Now we will apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than n, then I plus plus. Now again a loop from I plus 1, j equals to I plus 1 to j is less than n, then j plus plus. This is perfect. Now what is my rank? So rank equals to maximum of rank comma count of I plus count of j minus direct of I of j. Perfect. Then after this we will return 10 rank. Perfect. Now this is perfect. So now we'll run. There is some mistake actually. What is the mistake? Road of 0, road of 1, this one perfect. Oh, dp. Why I wrote dp? This should be direct. Now it will run perfect. Oh, what is the problem यार? क्या दिक्कत हो गई इसमें भाई? This is perfect. This one also perfect. count of row of 0 plus plus 1 plus plus. This one is perfect. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, all are perfect. Why it is giving wrong answer? Rank equals to maximum of rank comma count of I plus count of j minus direct of I of j. This is perfect. So let's run this code. Yeah, first line, this is vector, our vector, this is our 2D vector, this is perfect. Okay, n comma vector of int of n, this is perfect. Then for auto, road belongs to roads. Okay, count road of 0 plus plus road of 1 plus plus, this one perfect. Count of road of 0, road of 1 equals to 1, this one perfect. And rank equals to 0, for int equals to 0 I plus j equals to I plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus, rank equals to maximum of rank comma count of j. Yeah, code is perfect. Why it is giving error? This is same code actually. I wrote this code in notes also. If I see the code, I plus plus j plus plus rank comma count of I, if I copy this code, now it is working perfect. That code is same. Yeah, it is lead code some problem actually, because I did this question. Look at this 3 hour ago, I did this question there the same way. Okay, so this is done. Let's discuss about the time complexity and space complexity of this question. The time complexity is simple. This is a loop O of n, but this is not a means better loop, means O of n is not a perfect time complexity. Let's look at this. There are two nested loops, so O of n square will demand. Okay, so O of n square is a time complexity, and space complexity is also O of n square 2D vector. That's why O of n square. So thank you for this video, and like, share and comment, and do motivate me. We'll discuss some other problems. Okay, so stay tuned, subscribe this channel. Bye.